Okay, I usually don't do videos like this, but I feel compelled to do it since we have the coronavirus here in Chicago, and I see a lot of people using these bandanas. This is Grateful Dead, really don't worry, putting it back where it was. Paper masks or cloth homemade masks. Now, these masks are good, of course, they're hard to find. This is 3 layers. It's 2 layers of paper cotton, and in the middle is melt blown fabric. I gotta make sure melt blown fabric. And what that is, it's that those really cheap bags that you get, like this one's post grad survival kit or whatever. My daughter, she actually graduated in trap science. Anyways, so I would have these bags and I put them aside. This is melt blown fabric, and if you take this and you put it to your nose, it's amazing you can breathe through it. Now, if you make plain cotton ones, like I just took a sweatshirt, and then of course you can take Band-Aid stuff, and I just put it right before your nose just for an extra layer. But if you take cotton, it's not going to protect you. See, demonstration, water. Even if you put a little on it, it's already there. It's already through there, and it will go through there, and it's not going to protect you, but it will protect somebody else. Well, if you want to think about yourself too, definitely want to put a layer of this. And these came from some bags, obviously U of I, so my daughter graduated, and it's amazing when if you put a little bit of water on here, it has a repellent. See how it repels? It's repelling that water, and that's how it's going to repel and protect you. So go home and find these bags and put them over between 2 pieces of cotton, and it's amazing how you can breathe through this. It's amazing how you can breathe through this.